In exercise 1.1, the third problem. Write the numbers in descending in bracket decreasing order. Descending. Descending order is the opposite to ascending order. Descending means you have to write highest number to lowest number. Here the problem is 1876, 89,715, 45,321, 89,254. These are the groups of numbers. From these we have to find descending. Descending means highest number, then what is highest number, like this the series of the from highest number to lowest number from above these group numbers. Okay, first count the digits, how many digits in each group. In this group 1876, how many is 1 2 3 4 4 digits. Okay, in this 1 2 3 4 5 digits. In this same 5 digits. In this 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Descending means first we have to write highest number to lowest numbers to sequence. Okay, you see this 4, this 5 5 digits number. How many groups? These are 3, 1 2 3, 5 digits. From these which one is the highest number? Take first two. 89 45 89. 89 is the biggest, but here observe 89 is the biggest, but in two places 89. Then you take third place after 89 70 7 897 892. Which one is big? 897 or 892? 897 is the big, so write first 897 89,750. Next one, this one 89,254. Then third one is the 5 digits number 45,321. Then last number 876, 4 digits number. Okay, second problem. What is the second one? 3,000, 8,700, 3,900, 18,500. First what you have to write? First highest number. Okay, first to count digits. 1 2 3 4. This is 4 digits. This is 4 digits. This is 4 digits. This is 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. What is the first what you have to write? This one 18,500. What is the second highest? Here 4 3,000, 8,700, 3,900. Okay. You can compare like that, or we can directly, if directly you can tell 8,700. Or to take two take two numbers 30, 87, 39. From these which one is highest number? 30, 87, 39. 87. So you write 87. 39, 30. From 39, that which one is highest? 39. The last one is 3,000. It is the descending order. Descending order means just just one thing you have to remember. You have to first know the meaning of the descending. Descending means is the highest number to lowest number. We have to write from what numbers are given in the problem.